Hi, it's Tanya from My Forking Life, and today we are back making air fried, mustard coated pork tenderloin. It is such a quick and easy meal. Wait. It's quick and easy after you've marinated your pork tenderloin in the fridge for a few hours. But after you put it in a lovely, nice mustardy marinade, you're gonna pop it in the fridge, let it marinate for a few hours, and then you just pop it in your air fryer, and you'll have a juicy, nice, succulent tenderloin in less than 20 minutes. First, you're going to, of course, make sure you have all your ingredients. You need a pork tenderloin. You'll also need yellow mustard, Italian seasoning, rosemary, brown sugar, minced garlic, and a little bit of salt and pepper. So we're going to start by making our mustard sauce. So first we're going to get some plain old yellow mustard, brown sugar, as well as some Italian seasoning and rosemary, and we are going to whisk it all together until it comes to a nice, smooth sauce. Then we're going to take our knife and cut little slits into our pork tenderloin. Now, this isn't necessarily a required step. I just like to do it because I like to stuff some nice minced garlic within that. Just a nice touch that I like to do. But again, it's not required if you really are rushing. But if not, why not? Stuff it with a little bit of minced garlic. Then I season the tenderloin with a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. And then I go ahead and pour that mustard sauce all over that tenderloin. And make sure you rub it in just a little bit so that every piece of that tenderloin is coated. And after we rub both sides, we are then going to put it in a bag to make it marinate for a few hours. Now, if you don't feel like marinating it, you can skip that step, but I like it better when we marinate it. All right, so it's been 2 hours. I kind of fast forward, and as you can see, I am putting it in my air fryer. I spray the bottom of the basket just so it won't stick, and I just stick it in there. And I don't even flip it. And then there you go. And you'll want to check this temperature with a quick read thermometer just to make sure that you reach the required temperature. For pork, it should at least be 145 degrees Fahrenheit. It's okay if you go a little bit over. You want your pork to rest for a few minutes before you slice it. And then you'll see that you have a nice flavored exterior. The interior is good as well. And it'll be nice and juicy. Here's an up-close shot just for you. Yum. Now you can serve this on the side of your favorite meal, mashed potatoes, greens, whatever, or serve it on a salad. The possibilities are endless.